Here we go.
I'm really not afraid of heights, guys. Yeah.
Come on.
Okay. I'm really not afraid of heights, guys. Hold on. I'm just.
Hey, we're supposed to go to Lauren's barbecue, so come on. She's gonna be really pissed if she She's gonna be really pissed if she finds out that
Hurry
the
up!
reason why we
You
didn't come-
jumping on it's gonna make it cave in, you
The
dummy.
reason why we didn't come was because we had to wait till Ralph got off the fucking roof.
Let me see what's on this side.
Oh.
There you go, straight shot. Come on, man.
Sorry, Lauren. I know they're gonna show you this video. Just a little afraid of heights.
Let's go!
Okay, hold on. Roof, over there. I don't want to squash you.
Go. There you go, there you go, there you go!
Oh, my ankles! Oh, my ankles!
Where's my glasses?
Oh, my ankles! Oh!
Where's your glasses?
How'd it feel?
Oh! Oh, it felt good for like first tenth of a second until I landed. Oh!
Can I shoot you now?
No! Oh, you're dead, bud.